Row 2 will be Oliver BOCOCK and GILLMAN. Next up, Spencer Brock and Yehan.
Does it actually do anything? Oh, someone's on the grass.
Joe CHEEK and Dara McKinnery go from row number 5. Devon NOLAN, Morgan HILL. Next up, row 6, Lucy Will and Josh Camp.
I never see the lights.
But moving into the second half of the field then, Shravan, Shank Rugavel and Harrison Biaskis start. Next then it's Oscar Tumilty and Ryutaro, SAKAI and Sonny Mortensen. 11, Oliver BOCOCK and Jensen Gray. 12, Jack Owen Drawbridge and Lewis ISLIN the next up. Then it's Jensen Mason and Harrison Zambardi from Jaydan Haynes. Top 30, Mayor Peter Coburn. Last but not least, Porter, 30. So it'll be 7 minutes plus 1 lap again. Situation as follows. Took a 9th place in the last race. Morgan Hill took a 7th place in the last race. Joe CHEEK did not have a good run. Drop score. Best of those did have a chance of times. Down to 2, down to Spencer Brock this championship. 2. Still a lot to play for in this cadet class.
Yeah, we find a way.
We're starting to ripple this forward down in terms of who's going to take the honours here today. Also got a slight pause in proceedings as well. Got to give my congratulations to Mitchell Gibbon. He's not here today, but has made several appearances here at Whilton Mill across the course of the year. He wrapped up the British Championship in Honda Cadet last weekend here at Whilton Mill, so well done to Mitchell and the whole team. To see you back on the grid. I'll allow the live stream event very soon.
That would be pretty funny.
Everything's safe, everything's ready to go racing. This is heat number 2 of the Honda Cadets, 7 minutes plus 1 lap as usual. Key race for our championship contenders. And away we go then for the start. Very mixed up start at the front end of the field from the standing starter. There's one driver already on the grass as we run into oblivion for the first time. A couple of the drivers on the front few rows were a bit slow to react to the lights there. Jacob GILLMAN leads early on as they go through Christmas for the first time. Big field running into Christmas corner then. One driver off in the grass already. That looks to be the number 43. That's Oliver Gallard. So Oliver, who started a long way up the order early on, in trouble very early here. Not good news for Oliver there. MACANDREW-UREN has had a very good start there in the 33, held on to second place, and Spencer Brock now up to third. This is the kind of race that he needs if Spencer Brock was to wrap out this title. Can mathematically do today. Keep gradually as the day goes along. Morgan Hill's having a very good start. Oh, it's off there is the number 26. It's one of our novices. It's Harrison Zamani. So Harrison Zamani falls to the bottom of the order, unfortunately, in the latter stages of lap number 1. There is Oliver Nolan, who's got back out to the circuit and is running again after having his incident over Christmas on lap 1. Here are the two championship contenders, Spencer Brocken and Morgan Hill, third and fourth on the road at the moment. Morgan Hill got a good run there off of Otis and is up alongside. Oh, as Aston MacAndrew-UREN just bumped into the back of Jacob GILLMAN there. Brocken retains third place, knows that this is really important to hold on to that position ahead of Morgan Hill. Contact warning for the number 44 of Ryutaro SAKAI. 17 had a warning there as well. Side by side, the championship contenders again. Hill up the inside of Brocken, and this time Hill does get through. It looks like Lewis ISLIN has followed suit, and Lewis ISLIN has now got up to fourth place. Oh, mistake there from Jacob GILLMAN under braking. It looks like Aston MacAndrew-UREN is going to get through. Yes, he does. So Aston MacAndrew-UREN now leads here at Whilton Mill in the second heat of the day. Now, can he resist the attack of Morgan Hill? Aston MacAndrew-UREN has been pretty much an ever-present, apart from one round that he missed, but a good regular here at Whilton Mill, looking to secure the top 10 spot in the club championship this year. His best result so far this year is a second place in a heat. So if he can hold on here for another 4 minutes plus 1 lap, it would be his first win of the year. But Morgan Hill has got through, so Morgan Hill straight away has got through into the lead past Aston MacAndrew-UREN. Still a good chance this for MacAndrew-UREN to get an equal best result that he's had so far this year. Morgan Hill, though, he's second in the championship. He's only actually had one heat run so far, which I must admit is a bit of a surprise. It shows the open nature, the competitive nature of Honda Cadet Racing. He's going to do everything in his power to take this title battle in Honda Cadet onto round 11 of November. Colder conditions, potentially wetter conditions, you never know what can happen on the last day of the championship. Lewis ISLIN is up to third place, by the way, past Jacob GILLMAN. This is Lewis ISLIN. Very strong day so far today. To show his speed. Contact warning for the number 74 of Joshua Camp. There's Jaydan GREGG pulling through the field. 2.5 minutes to go in this second heat of the day for our Honda Cadets. There is your leader, Morgan Hill, number 22. Contact warning for the number 35 of Max Cuthbert.